Alright, we're at the Harrah and LINQ Monorail station, and today we're going to be doing both the escalators and one ride up on the elevator. Well, you probably know what kind of escalator this is, and this is something I've never seen before, or I don't get to see. It's an Otis. With that said, let's give this thing a ride. Here we go. I'm gonna step on. This is featuring one of my Escalator Monday videos. That to your right is the man-powered elevator. Here we are at the second floor, and we're gonna step off. And now we're gonna go down. See, there's the elevator right there. Otis Series 4 van resistant. Alright, let's go down on the Otis escalator. The down escalator. Here we go. I'm gonna wait till people goes by. I don't want to capture them on camera. See, this is the escalator right there. So there it goes. So there's your view. I'm sorry I pointed the camera down a little. I don't want to keep you on camera. No one's behind me, so I'm gonna step right off. So there's into the walkway over there. And this right here is your Otis nameplate. And that is your down escalator, which makes it an Otis. Now comes the elevator. This is just gonna be a round trip up because for one, it's not that special. And there's that monorail right there. There goes the monorail. There it goes. Alright, let's take a ride on the elevator now. See, this is just your basic transit system style elevator. There's Big Brother. Fans on, so I don't know if you hear the motor.
Done.
Button go out. There's no phone in there. Alright, I guess that is a ride on both the escalator, including a ride up on the elevator. And there it goes, and that'll be it.